everyone, welcome to CTN with Adedoyin. Today I'm going to be sharing a very important topic on how to answer poetry questions. A lot of students find it very difficult in answering poetry questions, so this video is going to be helping students to answer poetry questions. But please do not forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification button to know when I upload my videos. I'm sure you will do that. Thank you. Okay, so for you to answer any poetry question, you need 4 basic points in answering any poetry question. Number 1 is subject matter. Subject matter is basically what the poem is all about. You should try and understand or know exactly what the poet is trying to pass across. And number 2 is theme, the central message in which the poem tries to pass his message across to its readers. Number 3 is mood. Mood is the attitude of the poet when he was writing the poem. Was he sad? Was he happy? Was he pessimistic? Was he optimistic? Number 4 is tone. Tone is the voice in which the writer, in which the poet uses in writing the poem. Was the tone harsh? Was he a confrontational tone? And then the last point is poetic devices, which is also known as figures of speech. Figures of speech are the things that the poet uses, the expressions that the poet uses in making this poem very beautiful. Figures of speech like simile, metaphor, rhetorical question. Okay, so for those students that are going to be writing this WAEC, you are going to be asked questions on African poems and non-African poems. I want to quickly remind you of the 6 African poems that you will be questioned on. We have The Leader and the Led by Niyi Oshudare. We have Black Woman by Leopard Seda Senghor. We have The Song of the Woman of My Land by Umar Farouk Sese. We have The Grieved Land by Augustina Neto. We have Raider of the Treasure Trove by Lade Wosumu. And we have A Government Driver on His Retirement by Michael Onuchibike. And so WAEC is going to be asking you questions from these 6, of which you do not know which one is going to come out. But I want to pick Niyi Oshudare's poem, The Leader and the Led. Now, if you are asked a question on this particular poem, you are to look at, depending on the question, you are to write it in 5 paragraphs, just like I have shared in my previous video. Your paragraph 1 is going to try to state the central message. Now, what is the central message in this poem, The Leader and the Led? The central message focuses on the problem of leadership. Niyi Oshudare was trying to look at the problem of leadership. I want us to also note that this poem is a post-colonial poem. This poem happened after the British has colonized us. And so Niyi Oshudare was trying to itemize, or he was trying to examine the way the leaders are currently leading us. And he uses different animals in representing these leaders. We have the lion, we have the giraffe, we have the zebra, we have the elephant, we have the warthog, and we have the rhino. And so if you are asked a question like, examine Niyi Oshudare's attitude, or what is Niyi Oshudare's attitude towards the leaders? Okay, and so if you are asked to evaluate the poem, The Leader and the Led by Niyi Oshudare, this question focuses on subject matter. The word evaluate means to summarize. And if you are to answer this question, you have to write your answers in 5 paragraphs or even more. Now, your paragraph 1 is going to focus on the central message. And what is the central message in this poem? Niyi Oshudare was looking at the problems of leadership, how the leaders are currently leading us in the country. And this point centers not just in Nigeria, it cuts across African countries. And so because the question has to do with evaluation, you are going to try as much as possible to look at the lines of the poem, stanza by stanza. Now, this poem was written in couplets, and the poem started by telling us that the lion stakes his claim to the leadership of the pack, but the antelope shoulders at his lethal appetite. Now, for you to evaluate this poem, you are going to pick the leaders, the animals that represent each leader. The lion represents a kind of leader that is dictatorial, a very oppressive leader. And you are going to look at the giraffe. Giraffe is the kind of leader that focuses just on the caliber of people that are around him. The elephant is a kind of leader that also oppresses the people. The warthog is not presentable. The zebra is not a straightforward leader. So you are going to look at the underlying meaning of these characters, of these animals. You will not just look at it from the literal aspect. You are going to look at it from the literary aspects for you to analyze this poem. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification button to know when I upload my videos. I'm going to be uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.